So this is our UPP Norwex Laundry Detergent. And it is actually one of our top selling products, which I love to mention that at the party. It has a lot of benefits to it. First of all, if you read on here, there are no sulfates, and I think that's a really big deal. It's very rare to find laundry detergent without sulfates. And a lot of other laundry detergents have a lot of carcinogenic ingredients. So I love that you don't have to worry about that with ours. There's no fillers, no optical brighteners, no dyes, no perfumes, and no phosphates. So wonderful, clean, green. Especially for people with sensitive skin, I really like to recommend this because then they don't have to worry about it irritating or being harmful to their skin. One of the other cool benefits of this is there are no fillers in it, which is really great. I love not having to lug home the great big, box from the store. Also though, because there are no fillers, really just a small amount goes a long ways. It says you can get 100 loads in a high efficiency washer. I find I don't even need as much as it recommends, and I'll use like a teaspoon and I'll get closer to 200 loads. You can start with that, but you can definitely lower it if you're feeling like, my clothes are getting clean, let's see how this goes with less. And I actually had a host that was really skeptical when I shared with her how little amount of laundry detergent I used. And so she put it to the test. She went home with her detergent. She got her teenage son's stinky socks, her workout clothes, all the dirtiest things she could think of. And she just dumped in her small amount of laundry detergent. She actually passed his sock around at the party and had everyone smell and see how clean it was with the Norwex laundry detergent. And I actually like to recommend to my customers, even if they don't want to purchase this for all of their clothes, to at least get it to care for their Norwex cloths, because there's nothing in here that's gonna build up in the cloths. It's gonna help extend the life of the Norwex cloths and allow them to work a lot more effectively. So this is actually one of my very favorite things to use and recommend, and I've had so many people tell me how surprised they are that it actually is working really well to get all of their clothes clean. So I definitely recommend to everyone to give it a try.